What's up guys, welcome back to the new video, and today we're gonna be watching another episode of some astonishing driving fails, some from USA, some from Europe, and also we have some from Russia, of course. Of course, what this video would be without them. So with that said, pozdrav za one koji razumiju ovo, and let's dive into this. Right, and it's a pole position. Oh my god. Poles have had enough, I see, and they're fighting back. Pole lives matter, that's what I'm trying to say. Whoa! That was a biggie. Just a friendly reminder, guys, please stay off the hard shoulder if possible, of course. Whoa, 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 whoa! What's that car? Is that a Chevy of some sort? And I think that car fell out of the trailer. Someone's... Whoa! Whew, that was a huge impact. And yeah, where was I? That muscle car had no driver in it, so I'm assuming someone lost his pride and joy by accident. Oh, look at these two fools. Yeah, a big pile of snow, it's very hard to see. Guys, guess what country this is? Whoa, this is the most American thing that I have ever seen in my life. Look at those flags, bro. Oh no, oh no, it's a Mustang. Brace yourselves, guys. Hell is about to break loose. Oh, what? What? I thought the Mustang is gonna crash. What is this? I'm disappointed. I'ma head out. Nah, not really, we are moving. Oh. Well, I was about to say we are moving on to something, but suddenly I was impressed by that massive jump. Whoa, 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 be careful, trucker. You're not alone on the street, mate. Oh, oops, excuse me, he got a little bit excited. Oh, really, bro, you're gonna run away. That was a Merc AMG freaking Merc. It's expensive as hell, and he decided to... What is this? Oh my god. Now I've seen everything. I can now retire, I can die peacefully, I don't care. Oh look! He decided to take a random nap. Oh my god. Whoa, look at those reflexes. He's been doing this for years. I mean, he knows how to behave around stupid people. And now he's like... Bruh. What the hell is wrong with you? And he's like, yeah, nah, I've seen this before. I'ma head out. Alright, let's see here. Whoa, 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 and that guy was like, should I ram him or dodge him? Never mind, let's go on. And welcome to the Aussie land. Whoa, hold it, hold it. Oops. I guess Australia has its own Mustang drivers, as we can see. Oh, this makes me feel uncomfortable. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, dearie me. Let's just hope he's all right. I don't know what else to say, really. And now, this is what I like. This is what I like to watch. One parking spot, one driver. Who's gonna win? The spot or the driver? I'm telling you this like we don't know what's gonna happen. Either he or she is gonna crash, or he or she is gonna leave. Those are my guesses. Slow and steady is the key here. Just take your time and you will make it around 2026. Something like that. Oh, come on now, you can fit a van in there. Come on, chop chop, gotta move on. Just send it. Power! And you will be in no time. Oh, maybe this is the one? Maybe not, you can see it from a mile away. Oh my god. This is the worst attempt yet. And yeah, he or she was like Italy 1943. Right, moving on. Oh hell no, I hate when someone does this. It's like they see you and they just don't care. It's really, really stupid.
That's dashcam.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, this one could be interesting. Let's see. Whoa, damn! That guy was like, shoot, I gotta run. And this guy here apparently forgot how to turn. Oh, come on, dude. Really? What the hell is wrong with people these days? Oh, oops, my bad, mate. And now they're like, sorry, I crashed into you. Oh, no worries, mate. It's my mother's-in-law car, so I don't care. Oh, come on, you should have dodged that. Nice color, by the way. I like it. On to the next one. Let's see here.
Can we get a message to the landing party? Not from here at the moment, but in roughly 2 hours we will be in position
Whoop,
to send a
nicely done, mate.
transmission with minimal risk of detection.
That was close. And now we are in UK to check how's the Queen doing. Oh, hello there. This reminds me of cowboy movies, you know, the duels they have. It's 12 o'clock, who's gonna pull the trigger first? Oh, he's backing off. And that means he lost.
And the show was quickly cancelled.
Oops.
Be brought back in a number of forms.
Or easy backing off.
None of which acknowledge
Oh,
the
that was a
existence
trick.
of Cousin Oliver,
To scare. Oh no,
who now
he's
lives
backing off.
with Richie Cunningham's older brother Chuck in a
And
special
that
house
was
for
the end of
TV
that.
characters whose existence has been completely.
And we are back in USA now. Again. I don't know why the hell I did that. Don't ask any questions. Alrighty, let's see here. Oh, look at that truck on the left. Power! I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. Truck edition. That was a nice semi-drift, literally. You know what I mean? Alright, moving on to, I think this is Russia. Finally, we are back there. We love Russians. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was close. At least there's someone in Russia who's paying attention. No, 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 no. Oh, this one was even closer than the previous one. Damn. But yeah, Russians, and they're turning left. You know how it goes. I smell a pit maneuver or something like that. Let's see. There we go. Maybe. Maybe. Ah. He backed off. Usually Americans like to do that. And I'm not blaming them at all. Looks like someone forgot to put a handbrake on. Oh, oops. My bad. Oh. He hit the tree alright. And this guy here hit the pole alright and managed to get himself into a pole position once again. Only this time the pole didn't fight back. That's a bit of a shame, but alright. Oh, another parking adventure. Let's see how this one goes. Mate, from that angle you're not getting in, that's for sure. You can try it, but nope. Oh, it's a she. My bad, my bad. What the hell are they trying to do? To lift the car? Yeah, that will do the trick. Just keep trying. If that doesn't help, I don't know what will. And here's the hero to save the day. Or easy. Maybe he's just gonna bin the car and then leave. But in any case, let's see. So far so good. And he did it! Yay! Damn, some people are useless drivers, I'll tell you that. Your car looks good, alright. Completely matching the driving skill. Oh, I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo once again, and bam! Nah. I'll give him 6 out of 10, because it was 180 and then he crashed it a little bit. That's why it's a 6. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, a comment, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already, of course. And also thank you for everything, guys. Your support means a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.